Welcome back to Career Plan. This is Ishwar. This is the third video in the series. We are trying to help my ex-colleague, a solution architect, who was laid off from the job recently. We are following the process of plan, prepare and publish. In plan phase, the candidate is supposed to create multiple career plans, each career plan pertaining to one target role and one resume. CareerPlan app gives the profile feedback. This includes the smart move score, gives its judgment on what is good to try. It also suggests multiple different roles. So likewise, from bunch of career plans, our solution architect could shortlist a few. And in the second video, we have seen the prepare phase. For a given career plan, he can try screening test and the mock interview multiple times. We saw an example. Likewise, he could do more. Using these, he can publish each of his career plans by selecting one mock interview and then other details. So this publish part is in the third video, which we are covering now. The questions are very thought-provoking. So I really like the interview, but I'm not very happy with my performance in this mock interview. So I will do more practice and then publish. But for the sake of showing how to publish, let us continue. As we saw here, interview progress, yeah, you will see more. Then in that you can see wherever you have the best ratings, you can go ahead and try publishing it. So let's click the published profile button here. Okay, I have not published anything. I will go to dashboard. Yeah, see now earlier dashboard did not have what you see on the right side. So I can go to the mock interview feedback from here and then see. Okay, I have come here. Okay, then I decide I can publish it now. So let's go to publish. As you probably can see, it is loading and then it shows when I publish what is that I'm publishing. Right now you will see what gets published. My entire experience, and there are many other things here. Everything is getting published. It shows for which role I did the mock interview also it shows. That means that if there are recruiters from the company, this company or any equivalent company, competing companies there, so they will be more assured that okay, this is the right person, because without anyone approaching is published here that okay, I fit into this industry, this kind of roles, and I'm practicing, and this is my practice. So it's a very, very good way for recruiters also. So it shows whatever you have filled here. You can change things here. Okay, what's the notice period? Everything you can give here. Any preferences? Employer preferences. Okay, I don't want certain companies. I don't want them to approach me at all. I can put it here. The kind of companies. So they won't approach you in that case. There is going to be separate web app from Career Plan team, and in that web app all the recruiters are going to log in and then search and then see your profile. What will they see? That depends on whatever you do in this screen. You have full control. You can give a new updated resume here while you give the interview and then your quiz. When you are giving the quiz and the interview data, along with that you can also give the resume here and then many other details. And the screening details for that JD also, everything is in here. So before the recruiter approaches you, they already know what to do. And sometimes what happens when you go to recruiters, they need a PhD for this role. Then you can tell upfront here that, okay, I may not be PhD, but then I have certain things to say about it. So you can do all that here. So I have career gap, but this happened due to whatever the reasons. I have low score, but I made it up in my masters. There are many things you can clarify here. See, I was on maternity, but then those 2 years, I didn't sit idle. I was doing POCs on my own whenever I found time. So a lot of these things you can clarify here that will give sort of reassurance. It's optional, you don't have to say anything. There are many things which you can talk about here. And the feedback, whatever the feedback you saw before, the same thing is going to be published. So it is there for your review here, that okay, are you okay publishing this? Because by chance you are publishing where you did a pathetic job in the mock interview, right? You don't want to publish that, do you? So that's why it's all there. Yeah, I think yeah, whatever you want to publish here, it's all in here. Everything will be published. This way it is good for you, good for the employer. So it's good for everyone. So shall I hit publish then? Looks like okay. Like I said, I'm not very happy with whatever I did, so I will not hit publish, but you can do that. Okay then. I think with this we covered whatever we wanted to cover. So we talked about plan, prepare, and then the connect. Like I said, with your profile available just like any other job site in the other web app, recruiters will also see the effort you have put in and the way you talk and everything. Then they will approach you if they find you suitable. So with that we covered all of these with that we covered all the areas of the career plan here for the job switch. But if you have this approach overall, I don't see why things will not work. It definitely has to work, because too many people don't have the endurance. Too many people don't try as hard as you have tried. So that's why you have a very strong chance here. Okay, I think we have covered all the major points, and you let me know if you, when you did the interview, what happened, what worked, what did not work, any concerns, everything you let me know. We will try to address it.